Assalamu alaikum class 8. Hope you will be fine. Here I am your teacher Saima Aslam to teach you the grammar tree. Dear students, we have started our first chapter noun and we have discussed its definition, its different kinds, and we have solved our exercise A. Today we are going to start exercise B. But before starting our topic, here I will announce the name of students who answer my question. Muhammad Fizan and Shah Jahan Ishaq. Well done, Shah Jahan and Muhammad Ishaq. Excellent work. Now let's start our topic. Exercise B. Pick out the nouns in the sentences below and say what kind they are. Sentence number 1. The ship, along with its crew, has been saved. Ship is concrete noun. Crew is collective noun. Sentence number 2. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. Height is abstract noun. Mount Everest proper noun and meters is abstract noun. Sentence number 3. The National Museum has a good collection of artifacts. National Museum proper noun, collection collective noun, and artifacts concrete noun. Sentence number 4. The audience received the play with a thunderous applause. Audience collective noun, play concrete noun, applause concrete noun. Sentence number 5. Modern buildings are mostly made of concrete and steel. Buildings is concrete noun. Concrete is also concrete noun and steel is material noun. Sentence number 6. Forgiveness is a noble virtue. Forgiveness abstract noun and virtue is also abstract noun. Sentence number 7. The accused declared his innocence to the jury. Accused concrete noun, innocence abstract noun and jury collective noun. Sentence number 8. She bought her furniture at the flea market. Furniture collective noun and flea market concrete noun. Sentence number 9. I did not get good sleep at night. Sleep abstract noun and night concrete noun. Sentence number 10. Annie painted the wall green. Annie proper noun and wall concrete noun. Now we will start our exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with the nouns formed from the words given in the brackets. Here are 10 sentences and to complete these sentences the words are given and these words are adjective and verb. We have to find their noun form and complete our blanks. So let's start our exercise C. There is a dash for an accountant at this firm. Vacant. Vacant is adjective and its noun form is vacancy. Sentence number 2. Only fools are softened by flatter. Dash flatter. Flatter is used here as verb and its noun form is flattery. Sentence number 3. What dash do I have in this matter? Choose is used here as verb and its noun form is choice. Sentence number 4. He ignored the dash I gave him. Advise. Advise is used here as verb and its noun form is advise. Sentence number 5. His dash during the experiment provided valuable insight to the team. Observe. Observe is used here as verb and its noun form is observation. Sentence number 6 is increase. Dash increase in temperature is an dash indicate of climate change in the world. Increase is used here as verb and its noun form is increase. Indicate is used here as verb and its noun form is indication. Sentence number 7. His dash refuse of the invitation added to my dash disappoint. Refuse is used here as verb and its noun form is refusal. Disappoint is also used here as verb and its noun form is disappointment. Sentence number 8. It is generally the dash careless of the drivers that leads to the road accident. Careless is used here as an adjective and its noun form is carelessness. Sentence number 9. The government has made several policies to uplift farmers from poor. Poor is used here as an adjective and its noun form is poverty. Sentence number 10. The lawyer took dash permit for a few days of absent from the court. Permit is used here as a verb and its noun form is permission. Absent is also used here as an adjective and its noun form is absence. Exercise D. Sort the underlined nouns in the following conversation and list them in the appropriate columns below. Here are a column and 5 categories of nouns are given. Proper noun, concrete nouns, abstract noun, collective nouns and material nouns, and we have categorized all the underlined words in the given boxes. Proper nouns, the words that come in the category of proper nouns are Richa, bistro, June. Concrete noun, restaurant, place, roses and sister. Abstract noun, suggestions, birthday, fun, day. Collective nouns, party, family, friends, presents, bouquet. Material nouns, coffee, gold, diamond, ring. Dear students, it was our today's lecture and here is a home task for you. Exercise B. You have to complete this exercise on your notebooks also. I will guide you how you have to do this exercise. Students, here is your exercise pattern. Home task, write down on the top of the page home task, then chapter 1 nouns. Exercise B, pick out the nouns in the sentences below and say what kind they are. In sentence number 1, the word sheep is concrete noun, the word crew is collective noun, and in sentence number 2, the word height is abstract noun, Mount Everest is proper noun, and meter is abstract noun. Students, this is your home task and students activity is also here for you. Find any 2 or 3 words that may be adjective or verb and write their noun form. It's your students task and I will announce the name of students who will complete this task in my next video. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz.